Are you done with the graphical solution question which we have done in the previous class? Any doubt in that questions?
No, sir.
Okay. So everyone download the PDF of pair of linear equation of graphical solution from the app. We are going to have these questions first in this class. Okay, because we will we are not going to write every question. So this will save much time. Got it? Yes or no at least?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh, download the book so download the PDF of graphical solution. This is the first topic in the app of pair of linear equation. I have downloaded and pasted it here for my reference.
Sir, are we supposed to do these questions? I got disconnected, so.
Yes, Hiba, what are you saying? What are you saying, dear?
Do we have to do these
Sir.
questions now? I got disconnected for a moment, so.
No. I'm just saying that download the PDF of this graphical solution in your mobile app or any of the thing which you have basically.
Sir,
Okay,
so these questions are important.
Yes, CBSE board. These are previous year CBSE board questions. It's written there.
Yeah.
So these are very important. CBSE is always
So for
give
every chapter,
PYQ.
this is there, right?
Yes, dear. Every chapter is there. CBSE PYQs. They are very much important. Like half of the weightage is from CBSE PYQs. At least 40%. I'm saying. Like maximum can be 50 to 60%. At least 40% will be there from the CBSE PYQs itself. Even without changing the values, same value as it is.
Yes, sir.
So solve the NCERT first, examples and exercise, then do the PYQs of CBSE, and then if you have time, basically I would suggest that you must be having some time, at least 1 to 2 hours in any of the day time. Do the RD Sharma some numericals which are basically unique in a little bit way. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So have you downloaded the book? Okay, so if you're not I'm telling you which questions do we have to do right now. So first thing, I will give you 4 minutes, 3 minutes to solve it, not 4 minutes. You have to basically, you can basically let me know whether, so. Okay, just a second, which questions shall we take? Solve this question. You have to plot a graph. I've told you in the previous class how to plot a graph on the, you can say axis, plane.
So,
Yes, Faz.
sir, so we should do this in graph, right?
So Faz, you can do one thing, you can say, just make a square, you can say this type of thing. No need to have the graph right now, just make this kind of thing. You can do the
Yes,
thing in this question can be done in this coordinate plane as well. Find out the solution.
So the intersecting line, yes, sir.
Okay. And then what you need to do is, in the previous class, I've told you now how to find out the solution of a.
Yes, sir, which
if I put
we'll
this,
find the minimum 2 solutions.
yes, you will
After
find.
that, we will do it in the graph.
Yes,
then
very good.
It will intersect at a point.
Yes, very good. You just have to shade that portion which is basically under this, after intersecting the graph, after intersecting the line, the portion under these lines, which is common to both the lines.
Yes, sir.
Giving you 3 minutes, it's an easy question. So there isn't any question, basically. Just let me have a look in RD Sharma. If there is any question in the RD. All of you like you must solve RD, some questions of RD. Like even if you solve even examples of RD, so that would be sufficient. But at least, okay. Let me have some RD solution of questions. Okay. There's one question, a good question it is. Let me take a picture of it and then I will paste it to this. This is a question from RD Sharma. Is this visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
next question is this. This is a unique question. I've taken it from RD. Let me take some more questions from RD Sharma. Have you written have you done with the example 4, question 4? So are you done with the first question? So we can move on the second question, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so first question is nothing but a graphical representation, you can say. So basically in the second question, there is a calculation basically. So I just wanted that so that you can solve the graphical question as well in your copy. You can get the idea. Is this clear to all of you? Do I need to solve this on the notebook?
Yes, sir, because for the second equation, I'm getting the answer and fraction.
Which one? This graph one?
Yeah, the second equation, 2x minus 5.
5y equals to 8. Okay, just give me. Oh, everyone clear? All of you? Then
Yes, sir.
okay. Okay, so let's start with the question. Just give me a second. Let me write it here. Okay. So the question is saying that 6x minus y 6x minus y plus 4. It is 2x minus 5, 2x minus 5. It is if we take this here, so it would become negative. Yes or no, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. What we
Two.
need to, we need to find the solutions of this linear equation. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. First we'll
Yes,
take
sir.
if x is equal to 0.
Yeah, that's the thing. Okay. So this is our x and this is our y. Is that clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Just give me a second. Wait a second. Yes. Just so x and y of this equation, what is the equation? It's 6x minus y plus 4 equals to 0. This is 2x minus 5y minus of 8 equals to 0. Clear? Put the value x
Yeah.
here. Put the value of x is 0. You will get y equals to 4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you put the value of y here 0, what you will get? You will get x is equals to minus 4 by 6, which is minus of 2 by 3. So your y is 0. You will get 2 minus 2 by 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is suppose this is the equation. Put x equals to 0. What you will get? 5y equals to minus 8 by 5.
8
Any
by
doubt?
5. Yes, sir. No, sir.
Okay.
Minus
And
8 by
if you
5.
if you put 0, you will get x equals to 4.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? That's great. So let's put here, because like the graph which I'm drawing will not be like almost accurate because I'm drawing free-handedly, but it would be around same. Okay. Just a second. So the first equation is saying, if you put the value, just let me write down the words here. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Is that the 5 max number? Okay, that's okay. We are all x is negative. Yes, it's x is negative. 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Y is negative. Yes, y is negative. So 8 by 5 will be equals to 1.6. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and minus 5. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Clear? So now tell me, the value of x is 0 and y is 4. The value of x is 0 and the y is 4. This is our first point of this line. The value of y is 0, but x is minus 2 by 3. So minus 2 by 3 would be around 0.66. Yes or no? If you divide 2 by 3, you will get 0.66. Any confusion, any one of you?
So how minus
If you divide there, minus 2 by 3, you will get 0.66, negative of 0.6667. Is that the thing? Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. Okay, so now tell me, in this point, 0.66 is around there at this point of time. Yes, at this point, sorry. Yes or no? It would be
No, sir.
greater or just a little bit greater than 1.5. Suppose this is 1.5 minus 1.5. So this would be around this 0.66. No, sorry, not point. It's a 0.66 now. So it would be less.
Yes.
Sorry.
Or 1.
Just a second. Just a second. It would be just a little bit. It won't be here. Basically, it will be 0.66. Na? So it will be here.
Before 1.
Yeah. Before 1. Sorry for that. Join this line. I'm drawing free-handedly, so pardon me for that. It's just a little bit deviation from the exact answer would be there. Okay, because I don't have scale right now, and this pen does not allow the scale. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next thing is the equation this. So this is our equation 6x minus 4y plus 4 equals to 0. Now second
Yes, sir.
equation is x is 0, y is minus 8 by 5. So it would be around greater than 1.5, 1.6. If
Yes,
you
sir.
divide 8 by 5, you will get 1.6. It's minus, so it should be minus. So y is negative. Yes or no? And next is 4. This is 4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So the line would be like this. So now basically, if you extend
Extend
this
the
line,
line.
extend
We
the
will get
line,
the point.
you will get the point now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is our line. What? 2x minus 5 of y minus of 4 equals to 0. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
All clear, Hiba, now? Hiba? Hiba, are you there? Faz, I clear with you? Adil?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Yes, sir. My network is bad, so I keep getting disconnected in between.
Okay. Is that
And it-
clear, Hiba?
Yes, sir.
Adil, why are you not responding?
Yes, sir.
Oh, Adil, why are you not responding there? I'm continuously asking whether it's clear or not.
Sir, because of the lag,
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
just like learning the
Okay.
question because I can't hear your voice clearly.
Is this question clear, Adil? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just a second. Let me paste this question. Just a second.
Sir,
Yes, Iba.
in 2x minus 5y minus 8 is equal to 0.
Yes.
Can't we put 1 in x place? We can, right?
Iba, yes, you can take it as well. It's basically Iba, every linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solutions. I'm saying only one linear equation. I'm not saying pair of linear equation. Every linear equation basically will have infinite many solutions. So you can put any of the value to get to basically to satisfy the equation. Got it?
Yes, sir.
It's up to you. The equation is the line, basically the line is not gonna change. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. So next question is basically, Adil and Faz, tell me all of you. I've taken this class only for numericals so that you can understand how to solve these numericals. Does anybody has doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Let's start this question. This is a R.D. Sharma question and it's already asked in 2001. CBSE 2001. So it's a PYQ. Okay. And some similar kinds of question are basically are also there in the CBSE itself. In every year, there is a one kind of question which is of this type. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So it's saying that find the values of P and Q for which the equation has infinitely many solutions. What will be the equation? What will be the relation between ratios? Tell me. First thing, this is the fundamental thing if you are able to, if you are going to solve this numerical. Does anybody know?
The one we learned yesterday, like in that
Yes, A1 by A2, B1 by B2. What is the relation between infinitely many solutions?
intersecting lines.
I'm asking the ratio which represents the infinitely many solutions. Yeah. Adil and Faz, respond. Any answer? Sorry, I just forgot to switch on my camera. Sorry
Yes,
for
sir.
that. Yeah. Yes, Adil, Hiba, and Faz,
Yes, sir.
tell me what is the relation between the coefficients? What is the ratio of coefficients if the line are parallel,
Uh,
basically infinitely many
A1
solutions?
by A2 is equal
A2
to
equal to
B1.
B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2.
Very good. Hiba and Faz, very good. So this is the relation of coefficients.
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
Now compare. This is A1, this is B1, this is C1. This is A2, this is B2, this is C2. Let me write it here. A1 is 2,
So
B1 is
B1.
equals to 3, C is equals to minus of 7. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A2 is P plus Q and B2 is equals to
2P
2P
minus
minus Q. C is equals to minus of 21. Any doubt?
no, sir.
Put the value 2 by P plus
2
Q
by
equals to
plus
3 by
3 by
2P
2P by
minus Q equals to minus 7 upon minus 21. This minus will cancel out this. So we have got 2P plus Q equals to 3, 2P minus of Q equals to 7 by
So
21.
A1
So
not
this
equal
will
to
be
B1 by B2.
just a second. No, it's already. It's not saying we have to find whether it is coincident or not. It's already said it has infinite many solution, which means that the lines are coincidenting.
Yeah.
So now tell me, both of the things are equal. If we have to find the value of these two P and Q variable, can I write this as 2 by P plus Q equals to 1 by 3 and so basically to get the two equations for two variables? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Because everything is equal to each other. So we need two equations to solve those two variables.
Yes, sir. Then the
And
third
we will be able to solve these
become
equations. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Cross multiply them. P plus Q will be equals to 6 and 2P minus Q will be equals to 9. Clear? Yes or no? We can
Yes, sir.
directly
Yes, sir.
eliminate because plus Q and minus Q is there. We don't need to multiply anything. Just add them up. 3P equals to 15. So P is equals to 5. If I have this, P plus Q is equals to 6. So what is the value of P? Sorry, Q? 6 minus P. So 6 minus 5 is equals to 1. So the value of P and Q should be what? P should be 5 and Q should be 1. Now you can see that, put the value here. P 5 plus 1, 6. 2 by 6 is what? 1 by 3. Yes or no? Isn't it equal to this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Put the value of P and Q here. P is what? 2 5s are 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1, 9. 3 by 9. 1 by 3. Yes or no? It's also verifying.
Yes, sir.
Which means that we have done the equation, which means that the values of P and Q are exactly fine, exactly correct. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Got it? How to solve
Sir.
it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
I'm taking some questions from internet as well. Just give me a moment. Just a second, give me a moment. I'm giving you one question.
Sir, when we change the sign,
Yes, Hiba.
if it's positive, we change it to negative, and if it's negative, we change it to positive.
Okay, I'm just telling you one thing. Just give me take a snip of it, the question. Let me paste the question and then I will answer your query. Yes, Hiba. What are you saying here?
Uh,
You are saying the
when
C
we
constant.
no. When we are doing the elimination method,
Hmm.
we change the signs, right? So if it's positive, we change it to negative, and if it's
No, we're
okay.
directly adding up there. We are not changing any sign. We are just adding the both equations. The sign is already opposite of Q. That means that's why I haven't that's why I didn't subtract them. I just add them so that the negative of Q gets cancelled out by the positive of Q. Whenever both the terms are in positive, then we can basically subtract them. then sign changes. But in addition, no sign, basically no changes are there in the sign.
Think
Yeah.
because I've done that, so like
Is that
got
clear?
my response. Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Solve it. This question. You can do any of the methods, substitution, or you can say elimination.
Sir, I got the answer.
Yes, Hiba.
Well,
What's your
the
answer?
equation, the
Just a
equation
second.
is
Yes, the equation is what, dear? What? Just let me know what you have assumed x and y.
y is 1900 and x is 25.
No. I'm
1,000.
saying what is x in your equation and what is y, because it depends now. If you take x is something and if you interchange
Yes.
basically.
I took monthly deposits as X and number of days in mess Y.
Just a second. Okay. Okay. Let x be the number of you can say the deposit. Let x be the deposit of hostel charges basically.
X.
Okay, and
Number of days in mess BY.
and y be the
Yes,
number
sir.
of days. Because it depends on whether you have taken x as, maybe someone has taken x as number of days and y as hostel charges. So now tell me, a monthly part of monthly fixed charge is remaining in depends number of days has taken food is the when Swati takes food for 20 days, she has to pay 13,000 as hostel charges, whereas Mansi takes 20. She pays hostel charges. If we find the fixed charge and the cost of food per day. Yes, Hiba.
X plus 20 Y is equal to 13,000.
X plus 20y equals to 13,000. Just a
Yes,
second. Okay, so there is a this is not 13,000, this is 3,000 basically. Okay, so change your equations accordingly. It's a misprinting in the website. Next is x plus 25y equals to 3,500. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes,
what
sir.
is there any need to multiply or multiply a number with this? Because
No,
x
sir.
x can be directly eliminated by subtraction.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
X is eliminated. So 20 minus 25 minus 25y. So
Minus
minus of
5y
5y will be left. Minus of
5y
500.
equal to minus
500.
500.
Minus and minus 5 will be cancelled. Y will be equals to 500 by 5,
Y
which is equals to 100.
100.
100.
Clear?
So when we put that value in
And just we need to put the
y
value here. So x plus 20 into 100
equal to
equals to
3000.
3,000.
So it
So
will come
x
x
is
plus
basically
2000.
3,000 minus 2,000.
2000.
1,000.
1000.
1,000.
1,000. Clear? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
So
No,
what is the
sir.
value of x?
X
Is
is
X is
1,000,
1,000.
which is basically the fixed charge, and this is the 100 rupees per day of food. So food is 100 rupees per day, and the charges of x is 1,000 rupees basically, which means that the per
What
day
is
charge of hostel is 1,000.
yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
All of you, any doubt till now, let me know.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Yes? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Just give me last question to you, and then after that we'll end the class. Okay, so I'm just giving you last question. It's an easy one. You just have to find out whether the equation is intersecting, parallel, or coincident. It's an easy one. You can find it out.
Sir, there will be no assessment after class, right?
No assessment because this is a numerical session only. After that,
Yes, sir.
when we'll start the AP, there will be assessment of AP. Yeah, do it.
Sir, it's intersecting.
Yes, Hiba. Yes, Hiba, what's your answer, dear?
A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, so it's
So
intersecting.
2x minus 3y plus of 6 equals to 0. Next is 4x minus 5y plus 2 equals to 0. Clear? So
Yes,
sir.
A1 by A2 and B1 by B2. We will put the sign after this. Let's. Okay. A1 is 2 by 4 and it is minus 3 and minus 5. Now tell me, are they equal?
Yes,
It's
sir.
1 by. Are they equal?
No.
It's
They are
not
not equal.
equal, which means that
So
they are intersecting
intersecting point,
only.
and it has
Which means that it has only
unique
unique solution.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Any of you?
No, sir.
Adil, Hiba, Faiz.
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay, so
No, sir.
officially, we are done with the linear equation chapter. We have done the numericals of RD. We have done the numericals of PYQ. We have done the numericals of NCRT. I've taken all the type of numerical which can be there. Is that
Yes,
clear,
sir.
all of you? Any doubt?
No,
Like
sir.
I have taken the NCRT examples in the class itself while explaining the concept. I have given you homeworks of NCRT exercises. And right now in the numerical session, I have taken the RD Sharma examples and the internet source questions. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Which means that we are thoroughly covered this chapter. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Do you all of you agree? Yes or no? That polynomials and this chapter linear equations and which chapter we have covered? Trigonometry. Adil and Faz has done trigonometry with me. So Adil and Faz, like, yes or no? Do you agree with all of these? Like basically, I've done all the type of numericals. Yes or no? Is there any left in your mind? You can tell me at least. Hiba, Adil, Faz, let me know, dear, at least.
Yes, sir. No doubt.
Okay. Okay. So now all of you, it's your responsibility now. Practice each and every example and exercise question of NCRT. And after that, go through the PYQ questions which is present in your mobile app. That's a very important. At least 60 to 70% of variety of questions are already covered from these two sources only.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So and after that, if you have time, try to solve at least examples of only RD.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so all of you, we can end the class here. Hiba, Adil, and Faz. I think somebody has left the class itself. I think, oh, Faz has left. So Adil and Hiba, all of you, thank you so much, dear, for coming to the class. And Hiba, take care and take medicines on time. That's a very crucial time because it's a 10th board and you need much more time to study as well. So that's why don't get easily sick. Okay, take medicines
Yes,
on
sir.
time and have a
Yes.
proper sleep in this